Okay, what tools do you need for surface mount components? Okay, some people have the idea that in order to solder surface mounts you need really expensive tools, but they help, but no, you don't need them. Let me show you what I'm going to use to build this whole kit, and I'm hoping you have all of it too. You should have most of it already for conventional soldering. First, you need a well-lit, messy work surface that you see I have over here. Then temperature-controlled soldering iron, like this, with a cleaning sponge, not necessarily a clean sponge, but a cleaning sponge. Get that out of the way. There. Okay. A really small tip on the soldering iron works pretty well, but even bigger ones, not a problem. They also work quite well. Actually, too small might not be too good because it doesn't have as much solder on it, but yeah, smallish one, play around with them, not too bad. Might even be able to use the one you've got right now. Then what else do we need? Solder. Yeah, solder. I'm using the standard lead tin solder, 60-40. So 60 tin, 40 lead. That's what I'm using, but whatever you've got probably work. There's a big drive to go for lead free, but lead free is a bit harder to use, so when you're beginning I'd recommend using these lead ones. Then solder wick. You might not have this if you're doing conventional component work, but it does come pretty handy, and you'll see later on why. Then let's see, tweezers. There's several tweezers. You can get the really cheap version, like this one from the pharmacy. I think this cost me 10 Rand, about. But these tend to get magnetized and they become annoying. You get the expensive variety, like this one over here, or even nice bamboo ones, which I haven't even tried. So yeah, plenty of different types of tweezers you can get. Very cheap ones, but cheap ones, they will work, no problems. Well, a little bit of problems, but not much. Then magnifying glass, or a jeweler's loupe. I use this one to double check all the small stuff. If you're hard at seeing, you will want one of these magnifying glasses that you can look through that's really big. I don't need that right now. And then a scalpel also comes in handy if you need to do modifications. Yeah, and that's about it for now. So let's move on, I guess.